Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, it's summer. I wanted to come with something yellow. I always love to decorate my home, my dining area every week because that's where I used to serve my family dinner. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm starting with my placemat that I get from Home Goods, and they're very vibrant. I love them. I got them sometime last year, summer of last year. And guys, they're basic, but I really love the color. These beautiful dining plates come from Walmart. They are very pretty, and I think they go perfectly with this decor that I'm doing today. If you are someone that loves to decorate your home, is on the best way to save money. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Those beautiful stars, I get them sometime, I think like 2 years ago. I never used them. Today is the day for me to just show those beauty. I'm going to use them as a centerpiece candle holder. The color is perfect. I'm going to mix and match all my colors. For my flower centerpiece, it's DIY guys, and I love it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really love how everything turns out. Guys, for summer, I'm going so bold with the yellow. And guys, if you do, don't forget to leave me a nice comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason. You throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard. For my necking rings, guys, as you can see, I'm using all the jingle animals. Super cute. I get them from Wayfair, and I can leave the link of them for you in the description box down below. And if you're looking for something like that, so you can feel free to check the box down below. That's my cheetah. I love them so much. Go perfectly with my decor for this summer. And for this beautiful wine glass, I get it from Home Goods some times ago. I always bring them out every summer, which is I really love. They're very perfect for this table setting, guys. Another great way, guys, to save money is to shop your home, because all the things that I'm using in this video, I already have them at home. I just reuse them. My centerpiece flower, guys, if you're looking for the price on Etsy, and a lot of places they are super expensive, but this one I was able to make it super inexpensive. Guys, it's another great way to save money and make your home look expensive on a budget. If you're a home decor lover and you love to decorate your home without spending too much money, then you come into the right place. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to check the box down below if you want to recreate the look, or if anything that you like. I'm going to put everything in the box down below. Be sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep on watching. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager dans cette vidéo. Je décore ma salle à manger pour l'été. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un très grand plaisir. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amis pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Nous, merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Et si c'est la première fois, tout, merci en pile pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi, aimez. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!